YouTuber, Resistance Homesteading. I'm gonna put together kind of a long form today. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm just getting up, throwing some clothes on. Nancy's at work. I've been up since 5. I was taking care of some cryptocurrency stuff that I do. That is something that I might talk about here and there if anybody has interest in it. I create to earn on Hive blockchain. Basically, you blog and write, post videos, whatever. They have a lot there, but you earn by activity. And just real quick, I want to say this for this video. You can see doggos are waiting to go outside. I'm currently in our bedroom. That's one of the things I'm going to be doing is showing you how we're living, because right now, as you can see, we're minimal in here. Nancy was going to put the queen bee for her business design on the wall at one point, but never got done before we sold the house. Anyway, come on, dogs, let's go. So, so crypto, real quick. I want to say this. I'm involved in cryptocurrency because of kind of the political part of stuff that I don't talk about. I see a lot coming down, and I've saw it for a long time, so I've been involved in cryptocurrency in an attempt to front run that and possibly get myself in a better position, regarding like bulldozers, tractors, stuff like that for the property, paying off the property, stuff like that. That's why I'm involved in crypto. My personal opinion is crypto could be great for humanity. Unfortunately, powers that be, right? That's all I'm going to say. And I also want to apologize to a certain person because I made a comment on X about politics and one of the current choices that we have for a leader. And just real quick, I'm gonna say this for this channel in this video, and I'm not gonna really talk about it anymore. You guys want me to talk about that stuff? You're gonna have to follow my other channel. I'll put a link in this description. I'm pretty lackadaisical about that stuff, but I will put a link in the description for that channel. And if there's enough interest and I start seeing people sub over there, maybe I'll start doing some political commentary, but I'm not doing it on this channel. Anyway, so I made a comment about one of the people that are up for election this year in the United States. And the position of the Resistance Homestead is we're Christian, period. End of story. When it comes to voting and all that stuff at this point, me and my wife are of the opinion that the powers that be are rolling along, and you walking into a booth and putting your input into a computer at this point, it's no offense, but it's asinine thinking to me from a Christian perspective. I want to say that. Now, hopium's a hell of a drug, and I get it. People want to have hope for the future, but, just me personally, I'm a Christian, and I'm basically going out to homestead my land and live my life and retire, and what comes. And as a Christian, I think that's a good way to be. I'm going to go get involved in churches and communities out there and be active and try to be helpful for people. But, when it comes to trying to change things on a national level and, it's outside my wheelhouse. Let's put it that way. I'm going to stay the little guy because that's who I want to be. I've always never wanted to be famous. Just real quick on me, I went to school. I have a BAS in digital media creation. So, Premiere, Photoshop, marketing, advertising, blah, blah, blah. Like I set up my wife's business marketing and business plan and administrated and got that going. And we do good. So, anyway, we're going to do some stuff around the house today. That's the plan. I'll be taking clips here and there. And I did notice that I tend to say, hey, guys, or here, what's up, guys, or whatever at the beginning of every clip. And I'm going to try not to do that because it sounded pretty stupid in the last long form. So, maybe I'll upload a short at some point. And that's what I'm going to be doing. I'll put this together later on tonight and drop it so you guys can see what I've been doing around the house. As you can see, the living room real quick, the bedroom is minimal. Come on, doggos. Let me walk you through. I'll give you a quick tour of the downstairs. The bathroom, as you can see, has just got rough drywall hung because before we sold the place, we were going to remodel this. And then the guy that we sold it to was gonna remodel it, but financially he ended up not following through. So let's see, over here you can see there's my electronics and DJ equipment. Over here is a bunch of stuff that's getting donated. Our freezer that's going, that's staying. Come out here to the living room real quick. Sorry about the lighting, I didn't think this through. So over here, as you can see, that part of the living room is all packed up. That dresser is staying. Dog kennels and stuff over here. So yeah, you know, we're ready to go. Here in a little while, I'll take a clip upstairs. That's where most of our stuff is packed up. You know, our kitchen, little kitchen's all packed up. You know, so yeah, we're there. We're ready to go. And yeah, so I'll be putting some more clips together for this. I'll put it together. I'll drop it later. I'm gonna upload a short real quick. Stick around, man. You know, share this, guys. That's something I want to say real quick. You know, I don't like, share, subscribe. It's just not me, man. And you ain't gonna hear me shill My Patriot Supply. You know, even if I do end up doing some affiliate stuff, I'll just say links are in the description, man. I'm not into all that, you know. But truth be told, this channel can't get monetized until we have 5,000 subs and you know, however many watch hours. So if you guys want to laugh at, you know, my ideas and the stuff that I do and the stupidity. Oh yeah, you guys like my magnets on the door? Yeah. So if you guys want to, you know, laugh and you know, have fun, man, follow. I'm not going to talk politics and stuff here. I'm sorry for the person I offended by making the comment about one of the choices. I look at things from a Christian and prophetic point of view. That's just the bottom line. So if you guys are into that, you like my channel, please share it, spread the word, you know, send it to your aunt or uncle, cousin, whatever. Say, hey, give this guy click a button, you know, donating for the tractor. Yeah, that takes money. I get it. But, you know, for the GoFundMe or whatever, but liking a YouTube and subscribing, click. Come on, guys. All right. I love you. I'm going to get to work. Talk to you in a few. So, I'm upstairs now, and I wanted to show you guys. So this is why that bathroom. So this bathroom up here, believe it or not, there's a window behind this wall. They remodeled this bathroom and just, they had no idea what they were doing. You can see they didn't even fish electrical. I can't ever get my thumb to work right. But they didn't even fish electrical. They just slapped a new wall up in here. And long story short, the drain is cast iron, so the drain's got to be cracked in the basement and new vent pipe. I mean, it's a big job. And I was going to do it for the guy that I sold the house to, but, you know, long story short, he made some decisions and decided that wasn't what he was going to do. So anyway, that's his room right now. I mean, he owns the house, but that's his room. This is our old room where we currently have everything that we are taking. That stuff down in the living room that I said the living room's packed up, we're not taking any of that. That's just, the furniture and stuff is all stood up just because that's the way it is right now. Just we had to move stuff around. But anyway, this room here, I wanted to wait to film this clip until Nancy wasn't around. But you see that right there is where, this room is where the dog attack happened last year. And Nancy got attacked by our dog Gareth, our male pit bull, and that square right there is where the dog was shot and killed while it was chewing on Nancy. So for those of you that didn't know that story, now you do. Me and Nancy split up for a while last year, and for whatever reason, you know, there's a lot behind it, but, you know, long stories, the alpha male from the house was gone, male pit bull, bunch of females in the house. He attacked her. She couldn't control him. Whatever. God, whatever you want to call it. Thank God she's alive. Put it that way. And we're back together, and you guys are here. So anyway, this is, you know, as you can see, tools, you know, various things that we're keeping, you know, a lot of tools, prepper supplies. In this closet here, you can see, you know, is mostly prepper. I got to get the cat out of here so he doesn't get trapped in here. But, you know, the solar panels, water filter, all that stuff, a biodigester, you know. We keep this room locked because you know, some of the defense capabilities are in here. Nancy's defense capabilities, allow me to say. But yeah, this is the upstairs. So the plan as of right now is we're going to buy another RV. We already have one RV out there that's full of our like shelving units, you know, stuff like that we were going to keep, dressers that we're going to keep, stuff like that. We got to get the freezer out there, and then everything in this room. So, and then the stuff in the garage and the trees. So we're going to get another trailer. We're going to pack that, and then we're probably going to get a U-Haul to pull the other trailer with when it's actually time to go. And that's how we're going. Oh, and all the animals too. Let's not forget the animals. That's going to be fun. But that's how we're going to make the actual move out there. And of course, you guys will see it. But I wanted you to see, you know, how we're kind of staging everything in one area. So when it's time to load up, it's just bam, one path down to where we're loading. And that was kind of my thinking. So all the tools that were down in the basement are now up here, and I'll do another clip to show you the basement. That's my focus today, is to clean that up because it's horrible down there right now. You'll see in a minute. Motiver, this is Resistance Homesteading. As you can see, I'm down in the basement that is kind of halfway done. We got all the tools upstairs. We're getting ready to clean. This is my landlord slash roommate. We call him Matty Tuna. Say hi, Matty. What up? All right, so yeah, we're gonna get this part of it done, get this cleaned up, and then we'll go on from there. So yeah, that's the stage we're at now. How we've gotten to where we are, you know, as far as organizing, packing up, getting ready to move. Get back. Dogs are in there wanting to come out. They hear me out here. But yeah, so that's the stage we're at now. Next step is going to be getting the other trailer, loading up, and hitting the road. So the next video will probably be you know, clips of us packing stuff up and loading up trucks and stuff, and then, you know, the drive out there and getting there. So in the meantime, keep looking for shorts and updates from us, and we really appreciate all the support. I appreciate all the new subscribers. You know, again, I don't like saying it, but please, you know, like the video and share it with somebody. You know, the quicker we can build up to, you know, having 5,000 subs, the quicker me and Nancy can, you know, start doing live streams and, you know, doing some interactions back and forth, answering questions and stuff. But just, you know, we love you guys, man, and hopefully, you know, maybe what our mistakes or our process or whatever can help somebody else get to where they want to be in life, you know, because we, you know, politics aside, we've always wanted to go have a small homestead or farm, you know. Like I said, we planned on doing it in Michigan, but just zoning and regulation and taxation and everything else, you know, Missouri's more friendly to what we're trying to do, so that's where we chose to go. We're really looking forward to getting out there and getting started, but you know, there's going to be a lot of bumps and roadblocks and work, a lot of work. So again, we really appreciate each and every one of you. We love you. There ain't nothing you can do about it. Sorry.